Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about hashtag strategies that will boost your brand awareness. Hashtags can be very beneficial to increase the recognition of your brand, but it is important to understand how to implement a successful hashtag marketing strategy. Let's take a look at different types of hashtags you can add to your social media posts. 1. Branded hashtags. The best way to create a branded hashtag for your company is to make it short, memorable, and to include the brand's name in some form. Many branded hashtags come from a company's audience who have taken it upon themselves to create a hashtag, so do some research and see if you can find one that has already been created for you. 2. Community hashtags. This type of hashtag still uses the company name, but then tacks on the word at home or community at the end to speak to their brand community. Community hashtags have a way of allowing customers to feel like they're part of a larger community while also giving your company many user-generated content options to add to your own social media pages. 3. Campaign hashtags. Unlike branded hashtags, these hashtags are not meant to be ongoing hashtags and have a start and end date. This type of hashtag may include your company or brand name in them, but the most important aspect to include is the campaign's slogan or message. 4. Event hashtags. These hashtags are used to allow attendees or anyone interested to join in a conversation about the event and to spread the news about when and where the event is happening. Many brands use this type of hashtag to live tweet or stream while at the event to create a bigger buzz and spread brand awareness. Hashtags can be a great addition to your social media posts, so implement a hashtag marketing strategy today. If you want to learn more about hashtag strategies that boost brand awareness, click over to techfunnel.com and connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram to gather insights on this and other important topics.